So one thing you can start doing right here is, if I wanted to make it so that it's like a little more wild, I'll start putting product in it and then getting it to kind of get big, because it's so, it's dirty for the most part. So you can make it get bigger at this point. Like if I was to put product in there, say I'm gonna be wearing a ponytail, but this is, I think, been about 2 weeks before I've washed it. I don't put dry shampoo, but you can. Everything is about what's gonna work for you. When you flat iron it so well to begin with, it stays straighter. So like I'm gonna put it in a ponytail today, and I'll show you what that's gonna look like for later on today too, when I take it, when you see it later. But this is the ponytail it's gonna go into. So always brush it out. At this point, you can wear it pretty tight. I mean, as long as you don't feel any of your extensions pulling. If you feel them pulling, then you need to loosen that area. But for the most part, you don't need to do that. So I can wrap these things around 3 times, almost barely. Be careful doing the whole, like, pull this. Just gently do it. And then you got your ponytail. You might get this little thing right there, but what I try to do is take this hair like this, and you can kind of like pull it up around to the top maybe. Get that to sit down a little bit more. Put a little serum on the ends of your hair so that it doesn't look so dry. I can tell one of my extensions is either longer than everything else or it's coming out. Don't mess with it right now, leave it alone. So there, like, because my hair is so short and naturally I have these little guys that come out, but it makes it look pretty cute. So that's your ponytail. So I've been noticing that there's a spot somewhere where you can see the extension. So whenever I've done your extensions, and the reason I do your perimeter of your natural color is because so this doesn't happen. So I know that sometimes my clients are like, I don't want that, I want it all blonde. But if you don't, you'll end up having, I keep seeing this one piece that keeps showing up. Well, that's a pink extension that's too low and it's in the darker area. If I had a flow of them, it would have been better. But as you can see, I put the dark in there to make it so you can't see it. So that's the method to why I do what I do. All right.